Good morning, student. Welcome to your computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 4, that is word processor mail merge. Till now you have learnt about Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word you can format and edit your document. And mail merge is mostly used in business purpose. In business as well as in official matters, it is often required to send letters with similar information to different people. So changing the address each time would be very long process and a wastage of time and effort. Mail merge feature of Microsoft Word is used to combine a data source which contains addresses of all the recipients with the main document. It saves our time and energy to send letters at multiple addresses. So we can say that mail merge is an easy way and an easy process to send the same information, to send the same letter to multiple users or multiple recipients. So the first topic is data source. Data source consists of mailing list. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field name. You can see this table: name, address, city, pin. These are called field names. Okay, so you can also add address line 1, address line 2, telephone number, mobile number. So these are called field names. Data source is associated with the main document. Main document, it could be letter, it could be email. Okay, so that its field name can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses with the main document. The next is main document. Main document is the text that we wish to send to the recipient. So it could be letter, it could be email, anything that you want to send. Next is merge field. Merge field involves three basic steps. You can create a merge field. So it involves three basic steps. The first one is creating a main document. Okay, so first is create a main document, create a letter, create an email. That is called the main document. Specifying a data source. So data source like name, address, city, pin, address line 1, address line 2, telephone number, mobile number, postal code, etc. These are called data source. Merging the data source with the main document. So attach your name, like here you can see in this table the name of the recipient is Anu and Kavi. So attach these name with the main document. So there are three steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document. So let's start our chapter mail merge, how you can create a mail merge document. So start with our first topic, that is creating mail merge document. To create main document, follow this step. If you want to create a new letter or want to type a new letter, then you can type. Otherwise, you can also use the existing letter or the letter that is already saved in your PC. Right, so let's start. For creating a main document, go to the mailing tab. This is the mailing tab. Under the mailing tab, here is the option start mail merge. So click on this drop down arrow. After that, select step by step mail merge wizard. After selecting this, the mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window. You can see this is the mail merge task pane. Now, what type of document are you working on? So, what type of document you want to send? Letter, email, envelopes, directory. You can select. So, letter. After selecting letter, go to the next starting document under step 1 to 6. So, click on next. So the new mail merge task can appear from here. How do you want to set up your letter? You want to type the letter or you want to use the existing document? If you want to use the existing document, then click on start from existing document. Now select your document, click on open. So from here, go to the document, and your document is saved with the name letter, and after selecting it, click on open. So your letter will appear on the application window. After that, again go to the next, select recipient under step 2 to 6. So click on next. Now here, if your recipient is already saved in your PC, then you can browse their name. You can select the recipient list from your PC. If you want to create a new list, then select type a new list, and after that click on create option. Now you can see new address list task pane will appear. Now here this title, first name, last name, company name, address line, this address line to city, state, zip code, country. These are field names. Okay, these are field names. Now if you want to add and remove field name, then go to the customize column. This is the customize column. Go to customize column. Now if you want to add field, then you can write here and add it. If you want to delete it, then select the particular field, and after that click on the delete option. Okay, so in this way you can add and delete the field name. Now type the title, a name, that is, for example, I'm typing letter. After that, when you want to go to the next field, then simply click on it. Write the first name Anu, last name Sharma, company name ABC, address house 20, sector 35. Then address line 2, if you want to use address line 2, you can write address line 2 Chandigarh. Right, now if you want to add more field, then just click on it and write the information. Now if you want to add the information of second recipient, then click on new entry. Now add the information of second recipient. Again, the title letter, name Rahul, after typing, then last name Verma, then company KYC, then house 35, sector 14, Roper. Okay, so in this way you can add the recipient information. After that, after adding the recipient information, click on OK button. Now save your recipient information. You can save it with any name. I'm saving it with the name data. After that, in the document, after that click on save. Right, so now from here, mail merge recipient task pane open. Now from here you can edit, you can change the information if you want. So click on the data source, after that click on the edit option. So from here, if you want to change any information of the recipient, then you can change. So after changing, click on OK button. Right, so this, in this way you can change the information of your recipient. Now go to next, write your letter under 3 to 6 step. Okay, so this is your letter. Now inserting merge field. Now how you can insert merge field in your letter? So for this, go to the next, write your letter under step 3 to 6. Click on it. Now for this, if you want to insert the insert merge field, now go to the mailing tab. Under the mailing tab, go to insert merge field. Now here is a merge field. So title is there, so click on title. After that press enter. Again go to insert merge field, first name, then last name, then press enter. After that, company name. Then again press enter. After that, address line 1. Then insert merge field, address line 2. Right? So after that, go to addressing block. Now select the recipient information. So here is your recipient information, that is letter Anu Sharma. Letter is your title, Anu Sharma. Anu is the first name and Sharma is the last name. ABC is the company, that is address line 1 and address line 2. Click on OK. Right? So again go to address block and select the second recipient from here. This is the first recipient, and by using this next button, select the next recipient. So after selecting, click on OK. So in this way you can insert merge field. Now you want to view the merge data. So for this, go to the preview result. This is the preview result on the mailing tab. Click on it. So here you can see this is the information of your second recipient, and if you want to see the information of first recipient, so from here you can click on the previous record. Okay, now you can see the information of the first recipient. Okay, and if you want to see the information of second recipient, then click on next button. You can see the information of second recipient. So in this way you can create a main document, and you can specifying the data source, and you can insert merge field in your document. Now the last topic is how you can print the letters. So for this, under the mailing tab, go to the finish and merge group. So here is your finish and merge group. Click on it, and here is the option print document. So here you can set the desired setting of your printing, and after setting, click on OK. Right? So here you can set the desired setting, how many pages you needed, how many numbers of copies you needed. After that, click on OK. Clear? So in this way you can print your document, print your letter. So this is the last topic of your mail merge, and I hope this video helped you to understand the word processor mail merge in a better way. So do practice. Thank you.